एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 9 इकोनॉमिक्स चैप्टर 1 का क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स रिक्वायर मोर इनपुट्स विच आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन इंडस्ट्री, डू यू एग्री? आंसर, ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग मेथड involve the use of relatively low-yielding seeds, which require less water for irrigation. Farmers following the traditional methods use cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizers. All these elements are readily available with the farmers. This makes them less dependent on industrial output. Modern farming method, on the other hand, involve the use of high-yielding varieties of seeds. These seeds require a combination of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Agricultural implements like tractors and proper irrigation facilities like electric tube wells to produce the best results. All these elements are manufactured in industries. Hence, it would be right to say that modern farming method make use of a greater number of industrial outputs as compared to traditional methods. How did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? The spread of electricity in Palampur transformed the system of irrigation in the village. Persian wheels gave way to electric run tube wells, which reduced the dependence of the farmers upon rainfall and enabled larger areas of land to be irrigated. By mid-1970s, the entire cultivated area of 2,200 hectares was irrigated. This improvement in irrigation allowed farmers to grow three different crops in a year, thereby ensuring that the cultivatable land was being used for producing the maximum possible output. Is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why? Monsoon are by their very nature erratic and variable, so farming cannot entirely depend upon rains. A large portion of the cultivable land in India is not well irrigated and is dependent entirely upon rains. As a result, when rains are late or inadequate, farmers incur much loss. The loss is more actually experienced by the small farmers. Failure of rain means failure of crops and a total waste of efforts and resources, both for the individual farmers and for the economy. To avoid such situations, it is important for the entire cultivable area of the country to be brought under the protective shield of proper irrigation facilities. A well-irrigated land produces greater output. The constant ability of water for irrigation provides a sense of stability to the farmer and also encourages him to practice newer farming methods and patterns to maximize the productivity from his land. Construct a table on the distribution of land among the 450 families of Palampur. Answer: total area of land cultivation Palampur is 200 hectares. Question number 6. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than maximum wages? Answer: though the minimum wages fixed by the government for a farm laborer in ₹60 per day, farm laborers in Palampur get paid much less, about 35 to 40 rupees a day. The reason for this is the competition for work among the agricultural laborers in the village. Knowing that supply is much more than the demand, they themselves agree to work for wages that are lower than minimum wages. The large farmers too exploit this condition of excess supply and force laborers to work for low wages. The use of modern agricultural implements like tractors, threshers, and harvesters also reduces the amount of agricultural labor required. This further intensifies the competition among the laborers looking for jobs. In your region, talk to laborers. Choose either farm laborers or laborers working at construction sites. What wages do they get? Are they paid in cash or kind? Do they get work regularly? Are they in debt? तो ये आंसर आपको खुद से करना है, क्योंकि आपसे खुद का आंसर पूछना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Describe the work of a farmer with 1 hectare of land. The situation of a farmer with 1 hectare of land is truly problematic since the land area cultivated by him is small, the output is generally low, the produce is barely enough for the survival of his family. To begin work on his farm, he needs to buy seeds and fertilizers. For these, he needs sufficient capital, which is provided to him by the large farmers, traders, and money lenders as loan. The loan comes with a high rate of interest and often requires him to work in the lender's fields. He works on his field along with his family members. Even after all their efforts of plugging and sowing seeds, the output depends upon the availability or non-availability of water for irrigation. If irrigation facilities are not available, then the output is more or less dependent upon rainfall, which is uncertain and erratic. Thus, even the low output is not something he can be certain about. Hence, in order to make ends meet and to repay his loans, he and his family members have to work as farm laborers. After harvest, there is a little or no surplus left, as almost all the produce is either used for his needs or for repaying his lenders. The lack of saving prevents him from adopting better farming practices and improving the conditions of his farm and in his house. As he is left with almost no working capital, his situation at the end of the day is still the same. He is still in need of money to start working on his farm, and for this he takes more loans. Thus, he remains in the vicious circle and loans. How do medium and large farmers obtain capital for farming? How is it different from the small farmers? Medium and large farmers a part of their produce and sell the surplus in the market. This provides them with the required capital for farming. Most of them even use these earnings to provide loans to small farmers by charging high rates of interest on these loans. They succeed in furthering their earnings. Thus, medium and large farmers have ready capital with them from one agricultural season to next. The situation of small farmer is in stark contrast. They begin an agricultural season with no working capital and end the season on more or less the same note. To begin working on their farms, they take loans at high rates of interest. Due to small sizes of their farms, their total production is small. Their produce is kept for their needs or for repaying their leaders. As a result, they have no surplus to sell in the market and thus have no savings. Question number 10. On what terms did Savita get a loan from Tejpal Singh? Would Savita's condition be different if she could get a loan from the bank at a low rate of interest? Savita required money for buying seeds, fertilizers and pesticides and water for irrigation. She also needed money for repairing her farm instruments. So she decided to borrow money from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer in her village. Tejpal Singh agreed to give the loan of 3,000 at the interest of 24% for 4 months. He also got her to agree to work on his field during the harvest season for ₹35 per day. Knowing that it was difficult for a small farmer like herself to get a loan, she agreed to these conditions. If she could get a loan from bank, then her situation would definitely have been different. First of all, she would have got a loan at a responsible rate of interest. Secondly, she would have been able to focus her entire attention on her farm. She would also have been able to devote more time to the needs of her family members, especially those of her 3 children. Talk to some old residents in your region and write a short report on the changes in irrigation and changes in production method during the last 30 years. ये क्वेश्चन ऑप्शनल है, आपको ये बनाना है तो बनाइए, नहीं तो नहीं अटेम्प्ट करना है तो नहीं करना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. What can be done so that more non-farm production activities can be started in villages? Answer. The 3 things that needed to be done to encourage a non-farm production in villages. First, the government should set up schemes whereby less laborers and small farmers are able to get cheap loan to start small individual या community businesses. Second, in addition to financial assistance, the government should set up rural workshops to enable the villagers to build on their skills levels. Third, the government should also work towards improving the infrastructure of villages so that the rural part of the country are well कनेक्टेड टू दी अर्बन एरियाज। तो यही था आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर इकोनॉमिक्स का। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें। थैंक यू।